So in our previous video, we said we are going to handle approximations, decimal places, significant figures. So these are just preliminary topics that we need to know to enable us to go where we are going. Sometimes when you want to buy anything, you want to make summations on numbers. You don't want accurate number, you want to approximate it. You may have something like 25.6. You want to make it a whole number. So when the number is more than 5, you now round it off as 1. So your number becomes 26. But when it is less than 5, you discard it, it becomes 0. So what we mean by approximations. Then decimal places, when we say, okay, we have so many bulky numbers, we want to have 24.5, 20.6, 0.7.8930. It's able to bring to decimal places. You bring it. Significant figure, important figure. So those are the things we want to do. Today.
Go.
So for us to solve this question, to write this number to 2 decimal places. Now only this is 24.6815. This is not 24.6815. Please note, once there is a point, other digits are pronounced individually. 24.6815. So to 2 decimal places now means let the decimal places of the number be 2. So what do we do now? We're going to combine both decimal places and approximations. What do we do? As I said earlier, once the number is 5 up, you can call it 1 and add the preceding number. So here now our answer will be 24 point. Decimal places will be 2, not 3. 5 is up to 1. Up to 5 is a starting point. So we can call it 1. If it's 6, the same thing. But if it is 4, we discard it. So if you add it here to be 2, it is still insignificant. Come to this one, 8 is more than 5. 6 is more than 5. So because we are interested in writing the number to 2 significant to 2 decimal places, it becomes 68, and that is the answer. Now, the same number can be written to 3 decimal places. In that issue, the answer becomes 24.68. Then now, instead of 1, because the number preceding 1 is 5, so you can call it 1. Now add it to 2. To 1 becomes 2. This is to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. 2 decimal places. So if you're asked to write this number to the nearest whole number, the whole number, this is whole number, this is decimal part. This is the whole number part, this is decimal part. So the nearest whole number means this is 24 point something. Do your approximation such that the number becomes whole. It won't get a point. And remember that any zero, any zero that comes after point is meaningless. You can remove it. So now, to the nearest whole number, our answer becomes 20. It's supposed to be 24 because this is point. But remember our approximation law. The number that precedes 4 is more than 5. That is from 5 upwards. And even 8 is something. No need to bother yourself. You can start from 8. 8 becomes 1. Add it here becomes 7. Understand? So now, if this one is more than 5, you can make it 1. Add it here becomes 5. So the nearest whole number becomes 25.0000. But which is inconsequential. This 00 doesn't mean anything. So it is 25. So these are the small things to the nearest whole number.